luminous electronic bar graph clock. Made with gas discharge tubes left over from the Cold War era. Combined with state-of-the-art electronics and wrapped in a gorgeous handmade wooden enclosure, the bar graph clock provides 3 modes of operation for endless hours of entertainment. The 3 modes are clock, sound level meter, and timer. Laid flat along its length with the LED on the left, it is in clock mode. The upper reading displays the hours and the lower reading shows the minutes. In the vertical position with the LED at the bottom, it acts as a sound level meter displaying the intensity of the sound within your environment. In the vertical position with the LED at the top, it acts as a timer. The timer can be set to count down from 1, 5, or 10 minutes using the buttons on the back and is accompanied by a mesmerizing pendulum effect. The hidden LED will change in both color and behavior with each mode. To switch off the device, simply lay it down on the side opposite of the clock mode. The luminous electronic bar graph clock takes from the darkest moments of the past to create the brightest moments of the future.
We started SensorWake because we're damn sure happiness lies in simple things like a great morning or a smell we really love. SensorWake is an olfactory alarm clock that wakes you up only with your favorite sense, to offer a gradual, perfectly fresh awakening. SensorWake makes the beginning of the day clear and fresh until your day really starts.
It's like in your childhood, and you go to your mom's place, she cooks, it reminds you some good memories, and actually the scent has this power. It wakes you up clear-headed because it's progressive, and it greets you with a familiar and inspiring scent in the morning. We tested it on hundreds of people, and the scent really wakes you up.
My specialty is fast detection methods to detect and to analyze wellness of people, including sleep quality, indoor air quality, for instance some molecules like scents or fragrance. It's like light and sound. Even if you are in deep sleep, a scent can wake up you. It's very strong. It's not a placebo, it's very strong.
SensorWake came up at university, where it was really difficult for me to wake up and I really needed to fix it. So I stepped into my garage and I got working. I needed the diffuser to be powerful, completely silent and safe to use. So we created a dry diffusion system that works with solvent-free perfumes. Today, SensorWake is CARB approved, which is pretty much the strictest air quality norm that exists, and it's working perfectly.
Givaudan is the leader in the fragrance industry. We have strong local partners around the world. We have all the resources to be sure that you wake up the best possible way. As a perfumer, I'm really happy to be involved on that project because we can work on so many olfactive directions. If people who will smell the SensorWake perfume and say, "Oh, I like it," and on top of that, it wakes me up and I am in a good mood because of that, okay, for me, the challenge is done.
The keys of SensorWake are a simple design, quality sense, and a perfect tuning.
So the Google Sound Fair was really unforgettable. Yes, we were invited as big guests. We had our picture in the Google CLOCKS building, so what? It was amazing. And it became very clear for us that we had to go all the way through with the project. That got us the credits, contacts and advice to move it to production.
I think this would interest just about anybody everywhere. Why not? It's a very pleasant way to wake up.
We use scents that are solvent-free.
Happy to be involved on that project because we can work on so many olfactive directions. If people who will smell the SensorWake perfume and say, "Oh, I like it," and on top of that, it wakes me up and I am in a good mood because of that, okay, for me, the challenge is done.
The keys of SensorWake are a simple design, quality sense, and a perfect tuning.
So for the Google Sound Fair was really unforgettable. Yes, we were invited as big guests. We had our picture in the Google CLOCKS building, so what? It was amazing. And it became very clear for us that we had to go all the way through with the project. That got us the credits, contacts and advice to move it to production.
I think this would interest just about anybody everywhere. Why not? It's a very pleasant way to wake up.
We use scents that are solvent-free, so it is totally healthy. And we use also capsules that are completely recyclable, so it makes it eco-friendly. We are here on Kickstarter to make Sense Awake available to everyone. As a backer, you will allow us to start production and be one of the first to have it.
So take a look at the pledges and back us now.
Hi everyone, my name is Paul, and like some of you, I had a hard time getting out of bed in the morning. Well, I love building things, so I decided to make something that will help me out with this problem.
This is Ramos. Here's how it works. You set the alarm time just like any other clock. We'll set it for 8:30 a.m. and turn it on. What makes Ramos really special is that there's no simple button that turns off the alarm. The only way to deactivate it is to get out of bed, walk to a wireless control panel that you'll probably keep in the bathroom, and punch in a diffuse code. The code can be something like today's date, or a 4-digit number that gets flashed on the clock itself. Once you put in the right code, Ramos turns off. You might think you can just stay in bed and pull the plug, but that won't do anything. There's a battery inside that will power Ramos for hours. You have to get out of bed to turn off the alarm. I've spent the last 2 years building the first prototype in my free time. It features these glowing digits called Nixie tubes that, although look really cool, are expensive and require high voltage circuitry along with a tremendous effort to put together. Well, I've already started working on a much more affordable production model that will have the same exact alarm functionality as the Nixie version, along with the same elegant wooden case. To be able to produce Ramos at